Welcome back to TechWorth. In today's video, we're highlighting the top 3 AVRs with exceptional remote control designs in 2025. These receivers don't just sound amazing, they also come with intuitive, well-designed remotes that make controlling your home theater setup effortless. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from TechWorth. Number 3. Denon AVR X1700H. The Denon AVR X1700H is a 7.2-channel AV receiver delivering 80 watts per channel, designed for immersive home entertainment. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and virtual height technologies, providing a 3D surround sound experience. With HDMI 2.1, it offers 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, along with HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and ALLM for enhanced visuals and smooth gaming. HUS built-in AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi enables seamless wireless streaming, while Odyssey Multiple EQ optimizes sound calibration for any room. Compact yet powerful, the AVR X1700H is an excellent choice for home theater enthusiasts looking for advanced features and high-quality audio performance at an affordable price. Number 2. Sony STR-N1000. The Sony STR-N1000 is a powerful 7.2-channel AV receiver designed for immersive home theater and music experiences. Delivering 100 watts per channel, it supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, X for realistic 3D surround sound, and includes Sony's 360 spatial sound mapping technology to enhance audio immersion. Equipped with HDMI 2.1, it provides 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, as well as HDR10, Dolby Vision, and HLG for outstanding video quality. Wireless streaming is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect. The receiver also supports multi-room functionality and works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. With its sleek design and advanced sound calibration, the STR-N1000 is a great choice for modern home entertainment setups. Number 1. Marantz SR6015. The Marantz SR6015 is a 9.2-channel AV receiver delivering 110 watts per channel, designed for immersive home theater experiences. It supports Dolby Atmos, DTS, X Oro 3D, and IMAX enhanced for stunning surround sound. With HDMI 2.1, it offers 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, along with HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and ALLM, making it great for movies and gaming. Built-in HUS, AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi allow seamless music streaming, while Odyssey Multiple EQ XT32 optimizes sound for any room. Packed with advanced features, the SR6015 is an excellent choice for high-performance home entertainment. That wraps up our picks for the top 3 AVRs with exceptional remote control designs in 2025. Which remote design do you prefer, simple, advanced, or feature-packed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from TechWorth. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.